Are you facing a situation like this? What if I told you no more power cuts, no more electricity bills ever again? Introducing Hardoll Solar Lights. Smart, stylish, and solar powered. From homes to massive industrial spaces, Hardoll has the best solar solution for everyone. Why pay for electricity bill when sunlight is free? Thousands of people have already made the switch and they are saving big. And we have got your back with expert support and trusted after-sales service. That's the Hardoll promise. Why burn money? Switch to Hardoll Solar Lights. For more details, visit www.hardollenterprises.com.